Hi, this is Ryan Brinkerhoff with RynoStands. Just want to go over the product, a little bit of detail, how to assemble and disassemble the unit, the do's and don'ts while you're using the product. Just going to run through a quick setup of the unit here. Whether we're using the Vise extension or the wire caddy, the first thing we're going to use every time is the L-piece. Pretty straightforward installation here. You just take the piece, insert it to any standard receiver hitch on a vehicle. Take the 5/8 bolt, insert it into one side, and then you're going to take a 15/16 socket, tighten that up, and then you're going to hit the wedge piece on the top. And now the installation of the L-piece is complete. So the next piece we're going to use, we're going to set up the vise first, is what we call the vertical piece for the vise. Basically we're going to drop it into the L-piece, and then it's got adjustable heights, two different places depending on how high you want the vise to actually sit once it's installed. Once you've got your height set, you're going to install the hitch pin. Push the safety pin on the opposite side in, and then take the hex key that's provided with your RynoStand and tighten up the stabilizer post. So basically we're removing all the play out of the entire unit, so now it's just an extension of your frame, which will allow you to work at a faster clip, will eliminate any of the movement that could be associated with other products, and it's going to help us basically get the job done in a faster, safer manner. Then we move over to the vise plate. It just slides into the vertical piece like so. And then we take that same hex key, tighten the stabilizer post on the top of here, which is going to suck the vise plate into the vertical piece. And now you have the RynoStand with the Vise extension ready to use for any job site. So now once we have the Vise stand set up, I'm just going to show you how to break it back down really quick and then switch over to the wire caddy. So we're going to loosen the hex key bolts that we had tightened originally, stabilize the unit, pull the vise plate off, remove our hitch pin and the safety pin on the side of the unit, loosen this stabilizer post via the hex key as well, and then we're going to insert what we call the wire caddy base into that same port. Take our same receiver hitch pin and install the safety pin on the far side. Tighten up the stabilizer post as we did with the Vise extension to help eliminate any of the play that might come into the unit while being used. And then from this point you've got a choice of two different rod sizes to hold your wiring. Whether you're going to be using the 500-foot rolls or you're going to be using the larger rolls, we've made two sizes to accommodate whatever you'll need on the job site. So using these, it's a pretty straightforward design. You're going to back out this 1/4-inch knob screw. Insert the rod into the post, and then tighten the knob screw back up. Now you've got a smaller arm on here that will accept the 500-foot rolls of whatever type of wire you want to use. On this other side, we're going to drop in one of the bigger rods. These will be for the 2,500-foot rolls of standard wire, 1,000-foot rolls of Romex, and some of the bigger rolls of the communication wire as well. We're going to back off this same 5-star knob on this one side. Tighten it back up when we get into spot, and then you're going to have safety pins that will drop into these arms to secure them on the RynoStand. We've designed the RynoStand to be a safe, efficient way to work on a job site, but that also includes you doing your part while using the RynoStand. Always wear ANSI approved equipment while operating the RynoStand, and basically use it the way it was designed to be used. Don't try to tow with the RynoStand, don't do anything off base. Basically use the product as it was designed to be used, and it should be a wonderful functioning piece of equipment for your job site environment.